This day we planned to be a long one, but not like this. Our goal was the Plitvice National Park, a quick 2-3 hour ride, then a long walk along the peaceful ponds and waterfalls. In the morning, everything went very smoothly. I even got reassurance that the local police force is cool and forgiving with motorcyclists. No license plate, no problem. For ease, I chose the main road in the land so we can be speedy. If we had followed through the Jadranska till the end, we would have ended up in Dubrovnik, which is in itself worth a visit. The motorway here also did its thing, and sometimes we felt like we are on our own in the middle of nowhere, while we were riding the national road number 1. A few playful clouds were chasing us, but nothing serious. Then it started to get serious. We felt it's better to suit up. Just in time. I think this was the second time we had a hailstorm coming down on us. Luckily, our host quickly realized the peril which we were in and opened his garage door for us, a true haven for travelers in this weather. We have settled in and impatiently waited for the storm to pass so we can actually visit the national park. When it finally calmed down to a light rain, we hopped on the bike and took the last few kilometers. The rain refreshed the valley, the colors were rich and deep, and everything was glistening like they were just freshly polished. The rain had its advantage by scaring away many people, but clearly not enough. Maybe if Winnetou was here, then all these pale-faced rangers would leave these ancient lands of the Yugo Apache. As I heard, this is nothing compared to the masses who visit this site during the summer. No, I was cautious and purchased a ticket well in advance for a specific time slot. Maybe I was overcautious. Now we could have easily bought a ticket at the gate when we arrived. But during the peak time, this is a must, as I was told. Someone can get lost on these trails and footbridges for hours or even days, but the main sites can be visited in a couple of hours if you are willing to move at a faster pace. For us, the first 2 hours went alright, but then the storm returned with torrential rains. My trusty rain gear, which helped me stay dry on the motorcycle in the last years without a problem, got seriously wet on the inside during a slow stroll, so we chickened out, hopped on the minibus and returned to the parking lot. With our tails between our legs, we rode back to the apartment. It was very uncomfortable, because of the rain and the cold and not because of the tail. Next time, we head home, but before that, we will visit an abandoned military airbase and bunker.